Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the series of these videos where we learn Python on an Android phone. So in last videos, we learned about conditional statements in Python. In this video, we are going to learn about for and while loop. So let's begin by writing the code. So let's create a new file. I will name it as loops. That would be nano loops, loops.py. So now let's take an example where we want to print number from 1 to 10. Or we want to check how many times a code has run, we can use the file for loop. Let's take an example. Let's declare a equal to 10. Now if we want to print for I in range of a, print I. So here it will start from 0 and print number still 9. So if we want to print from 1 to 10, we have to add 1. So print I plus 1. Now let's save this. To save, we will type Control X and Control X and hit enter Y. Now let's run this Python loop.py. Okay, I think we made a mistake. Let's fix this. We didn't close this bracket. Let's close this. Control X and Y, enter. So see, here we printed number from 1 to 10. So far, while loops, let's create a new program, nano while.py, and hit enter. So unlike for loops, while loops are the loops which continue to run until and unless a condition becomes true. So let's take an example of count, and we will see it. Let's see count. Equal to 0. Now we have to, let's say we have to count till 3. So while count is less than 3, that's our condition. Count plus equals 1 means we will keep adding 1 in count until count becomes 3. We will also print count. Okay, now let's save this. To save this, we have to type Control X and hit enter Y and hit enter. Now let's run this. It would be Python while.py. See, it ran until 3. Now let's make some changes and so now let's make some changes. Let's do it conditional till 10. So it will run until 10, means when it becomes true, it will stop. Control X, Y, hit enter. Now Python while.py, it will run till 10. So that was all for and while loops. I hope you like this video. If you like it, you can hit that like button. If you don't, you can hit that dislike button. And for future videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.